Step into the 2007 Toyota Tacoma. This four-door, four-passenger truck just recently passed the 50,000-mile mark. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. Top features include front bucket seats, front and rear cup holders, a tachometer, a rear step bumper, and much more. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, brake assist, and ABS brakes. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Our sales staff will help you find a vehicle that you've been searching for. Stop in and take a test drive.